Have you ever looked at your life and felt stuck, drained, disappointed, or disconnected from who you used to be? Maybe your routines don't inspire you anymore. Maybe the people around you no longer support your growth. Maybe your mind feels heavy. Your motivation feels low and deep inside your heart. You know you were meant for more. If that sounds like you, then this video will be the most important thing you watch today. Because for the next several minutes, I'm going to guide you through a complete life reset, one that you can start right now, and transform yourself in just 30 days. This isn't about running away from your life. It's about taking control of it again. It's about rebuilding your mindset, your habits, your environment, your confidence, and your direction. And the best part? You don't need money. You don't need anyone's permission. You don't need the perfect circumstances. All you need is willingness. So take a breath, let your mind settle, and get ready, because your reset begins now. Day 1 to 3, clearing mental noise. The first step in resetting your life is not action, it's clarity. For the next 3 days, your only job is to observe your thoughts, your emotions, and your internal patterns. Ask yourself, what's draining me? What feels heavy? What am I pretending not to notice? Most people skip this step and jump straight into productivity, but without clarity, you end up rebuilding the same life you're trying to escape. These 3 days help you see what needs to change. Day 4 to 6, declutter your environment. Your space affects your mind more than you realize. Clean your room, organize your desk, remove things that remind you of old versions of yourself. Throw away what feels expired. When your physical space becomes lighter, your thoughts become clearer. A life reset always becomes easier when the environment supports your growth instead of suffocating it. Day 7 to 9, digital detox. Silence notifications. Unfollow negativity. Reduce endless scrolling. Stop comparing your life to others. The world has trained us to feel behind, but a reset requires presence, not distraction. You will be shocked how much motivation returns when your brain is not constantly overstimulated. Day 10 to 12, reset your body. You don't need a gym. You just need movement. Walk for 20 minutes a day. Drink more water. Fix your sleep routine. Stretch. Your body is the foundation of your energy, and energy is the fuel of self-transformation. When your body wakes up, your life wakes up. Day 13 to 15, reset your mindset. Replace complaining with gratitude. Replace self-criticism with self-direction. Replace fear with curiosity. Write down 3 beliefs that have been holding you back, and rewrite them. You cannot create a new life with an old mindset. Day 16 to 18, remove toxic connections. Some people are not meant to go where you're going. Some drain your peace. Some block your growth. Some only love you when you stay small. In these 3 days, take distance. Reduce access. Protect your energy. You don't need to hate them. You just need to choose yourself. Day 19 to 21, find purpose direction. Ask yourself, what makes me feel alive? What do I enjoy learning about? What kind of person do I want to become? Purpose doesn't appear. It is built through curiosity and action. Day 22 to 24, build new habits. Small daily habits beat giant occasional effort. Read 10 minutes, learn something new. Practice discipline. Track wins. Consistency creates identity, and identity creates destiny. Day 25 to 27. Take bold action. Apply for the opportunity. Start the project. Say no. Say yes. Change something. A reset becomes real when your actions match your intentions. Day 28 to 30. Step into your new self-talk differently. Walk differently. Think differently. Don't shrink yourself to match your past. Become the person your future needs. And when these 30 days end, look at yourself again. You will be clearer, stronger, calmer, more confident, more alive. You will realize that life didn't change by accident. You changed it. Because the truth is, you were never stuck. You were never weak. You were never broken. You were simply overdue for a reset. This is your moment. This is your turning point. This is the start of your new life.